Ladies and gentlemen, welcome out to the garage. I hope everybody has been having a great Memorial Day weekend and taking at least a minute to think about those that gave everything so that we can enjoy the freedoms that we enjoy today. So thank you to everybody that has served, everybody that is currently serving, and to any of those that may be watching that have family members that have served, and especially to anybody that's lost a loved one. We got kind of a cool video today, courtesy of Caterpillar. So if you guys have been following along, you know that that Caterpillar has sent me some tools to be able to build out a couple custom kits for some giveaways for you guys. So Joseph Sabolic 8698 was the winner of this kit, and in this video we're gonna do the little reveal to show you what I built. So I guess without further ado, we'll just we'll open it up. Whoa. All right. So this month was metric 1/4-inch drive. Was a metric 1/4-inch drive build out, and I'm pretty proud of how this one turned out. I think it is a pretty slick little kit. So we've got down in the bottom right the Cat 9S-1722, which is kind of the 1/4-inch drive pass-through spinner handle that really started it all. I think this is what got me down the Cat Tools rabbit hole, and what first made me realize, when I saw that you could get this thing for $13 and change, what a tremendous value proposition Cat Tools presents. So over to the left of the spinner handle, we have a 2-inch Made in USA extension. Up top, up above it, we've got, I believe, a 4-inch 1/4-inch drive Made in USA extension. Above the spinner handle, we have the Cat branded Stahlvila Made in Germany Ratchet. These things are buttery smooth, very, very nice, very premium little 1/4-inch drive ratchet. We've got here the only Chinesium bit in the kit, which this is a Cat part number magnetic pickup tool. It feels nice and sturdy. It feels good, but it is made in China. Okay, so it is the one made in China product that you see here, outside of maybe the toolbox foam. I guess that could be made in China. I'm not sure. Okay. Over here on the left, we've got our Made in USA universal swivel. We've got a 4 to 15 6-point 1/4-inch drive socket set with magnetic retention. We've got little magnet strips underneath these. And so this particular set has a 4, has a 5, 5.5, all the way up to 15. And then over here on the deeps, we have 6 to 14 deep. Okay, and we've got magnetic retention using that same mechanism that I've used on some of my other kits, where just putting the bars on this back side, which I think works really well. Okay, and so these sockets just suck right in. And then up top, it's kind of fun. We've got the Made in USA 6V-6194 with snap-on date code, needle nose pliers. Pretty strong magnetic retention there. We've got, this is kind of an interesting bit. So we have here Made in USA pick tools. And this end threads off. So right now I've got the 90, which is the most common one for me to use. But then back here we've got the straight, we've got a curved, we've got all the other three flavors that come with this. There's a little bit of a combination of magnetic retention and then just pressure fit in the foam holding this one in. We've got a little Cat 6V-9124 pocket screwdriver, and we've got ourselves a little bit of magnetic retention there to hold that in place. The press fit wasn't quite enough, so I had to supplement it with a magnet there. And then we've got a 10mm Cat 6V-9090 made in USA, snap-on date code wrench, combination wrench. Now this is going to be, even though they're snap-on date codes, it's going to be kind of similar in design to the Williams Super Combo, but I think these are fantastic little wrenches. I have a full set of them, and I love them. I think they're very good. Okay, and then all of this is in this nice little metal box, and that is it. That's it for this one. Okay, so everything holds pretty securely. Yeah, nothing really rattling around. I'm pretty proud of how this one turned out, and I could not be more grateful to Cat for providing the tools to allow me to build this kit out and to be able to give it to one of you all. And so with that said, if you guys are interested in being entered into the next giveaway, which is going to be another Cat Tools build, make sure that you comment on this video, add Cat Tools somewhere in your comment so that I know that you paid attention, and that'll let me know that you're gonna get an entry, or that'll let me know to enter you in. And what I'm gonna do, similar to last month, is if you comment in the month of May on this video and put Cat Tools somewhere in the, yeah, let's just go with Cat Tools again, somewhere in the description. I'll know to enter you. But I'm also going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to go back in time. I'm going to pick a random video in the month of May, and if you commented on that random video that I select in the month of May, you're going to get like a bonus entry. Okay? So that's just my way of giving a little bit better odds to the guys that are the regulars that are routinely supporting the channel and whatnot. But again, thank you so much to Cat for providing the tools here. Tremendous value proposition here in this kit. I'm gonna take you over to my monitor, and I'm gonna show you what the dollar value is of the tools in this kit that we're giving away this month. Okay, so take a look here. All right, so these are all the part numbers, the dollar values, and then down at the bottom we've got the total value of $365.78. That's what it would cost right now, at least for my region, if I was just to go on the Cat site and order all of these tools right now. That's what this would come up to. Now, when you consider the fact that Cat is contracting with Snap-on for quite a number of these tools, I just want to show you guys, a quick comparison, okay? A quick comparison of, some other similar quality tools, what you'd be looking at, okay? So this is just sockets alone, $615. Here's a kit with a couple more bits, no deep sockets, $417. Something a little closer, $1,140. Another kit doesn't have deep sockets, $665. Okay. So I think for those of us that are DIYers, that value, high quality, made in USA tools, or just high quality tools in general, I think that cat tools are really hard to beat in that regard. I don't think you can really do better. You can definitely buy other tools for lower prices. I'm not saying that, but what they're offering, I don't really think there's really any other way to get this at the prices that they're offering. Okay. And if you're like me and you've got an actual cat parts desk in town, then that means that you have the ability to warranty these. Now, me personally, as a DIYer, I don't really break my tools. Okay. But if you're wondering why, why you might look at cat over just like Williams or maybe another brand, warranty definitely comes into play, and it's a factor. Especially like even with the ratchets. So you can order Stallvila ratchets with funkier colors from different places, but you buy from Cat, you're gonna have the support of their warranty and their parts desk wherever you live. So thank you again to Cat for providing these tools, for working with the channel. Again, can't tell you guys how grateful I am for that support. But this one's for you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you put your comment down below. Get entered in the next one. You're not going to want to miss it. I guarantee it. It's going to be something special. This one was something special, but that next one's going to be pretty dang cool. So, all right. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. Hope everybody has a good week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.